How to enable Storage Sense. Open Windows Settings app. Navigate to System. Scroll down to Storage and click it. Under Storage you'll see Storage Management, and under it Storage Sense. If it's off, enable it. You can further go and customize Storage Sense to your preference. This can be by scheduling after what period of time unimportant files will be cleaned up from the PC. Mostly they are deleted files in the recycle bin and unused files in the downloads folder. When you're done customizing, you can run Storage Sense now. This action will perform a cleanup to your C drive, hence providing more space, and it may take some time to complete. Mine's complete and I've been able to free 22.8 GB of disk space.